Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to improve customer service with Google Gemini in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. First, make sure Google Gemini is connected to your nerDigital Chatbot account. Next, visit Google AI Studio to get your API key. Here, input your API key and input your business information. Make sure to allow automated responses. There you have it. You just learned how to improve customer service with Google Gemini in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.